Express each of following decimal in the form of P by Q. First one, 5.2. Here there is one decimal place. Ignore the decimal point and write the number in the numerator. So it becomes 52 by 1 followed by 0. There is one decimal place here. So we have to put 1 0 after 1 in the denominator. So it is 52 by 10. Now see if there are any common factor for 52 and 10. 2 is the common factor of 52 and 10. So divide numerator and denominator by 2. 52 when divided by 2, we get 26. 10 when divided by 2, we get 5. Now there are no common factors for 26 and 5. So write them as 26 by 5. Next one, 0.36. It contains two decimal places. Now ignore the decimal point, write the number in the numerator. When decimal point is ignored, this becomes 0.36, which is equal to 36. So write 36 in the numerator by 1 followed by 2 zeros. There are two decimal places, so write 2 zeros after 1 in the denominator. So it becomes 36 by 100. See if there are any common factors for 36 and 100. 4 is the common factor of 36 and 100. So divide the numerator and denominator by 4. 36 when divided by 4, we get 9. 100 when divided by 4, we get 25. Now there are no common factors for 9 and 25. So write them as 9 by 25. Next one, 0.125. Here there are three decimal places. So ignore the decimal point and write the number in the numerator. When decimal point is ignored, this becomes 0.125, which is equal to 125 by 1 followed by 3 zeros. There are three decimal places here. So we have to put 3 zeros after 1 in the denominator. So it becomes 125 by 1000. Now see if there are any common factors for 125 and 1000. 125 is the common factor of numerator and denominator. So divide the numerator and denominator with 125. 125 when divided by 125, we get 1. 1000 when divided by 125, we get 8. There is no common factor for 1 and 8. So write them as 1 by 8. 0.125 is equal to 1 by 8. Next one, 43.2. There is one decimal place. So ignore the decimal point, write the number in the numerator. So it becomes 432 by 1 followed by 1 0 in the denominator. There is one decimal place, so we have to put 1 0 after 1 in the denominator. So it becomes 432 by 10. Now see if there are any common factors for numerator and denominator. 2 is the common factor for numerator and denominator. So divide numerator and denominator with common factor 2. 432 when divided by 2, we get 216. 10 when divided by 2, we get 5. Now there are no common factors for 216 and 5. So write them as 216 by 5. Next one, 10.199. There are three decimal places here. So ignore the decimal point and write the number in the numerator. 10199 by 1 followed by 3 zeros in the denominator, as there are three decimal places. So it becomes 10,000 199 by 1000. See if there are any common factors for numerator and denominator. There are no common factors for numerator and denominator. So leave it as it is. So 10.199 is equal to 10,199 by 1000.